Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be taking a look at this $250 rig that I just built on a used market. I can't really guarantee you that you'll get the same exact one for this price, but for around $200 to $300 you'll be getting this almost the same specs that what we have over here. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look what's inside and what are the things that I have to change in order to make this build. Let's go ahead and zoom in real quick. Right there. Okay, first off, let's go ahead and start with the pre-built. So this one right here is a Dell Inspiron 3847. I got this for around $50 in offer-up. Inside this one has an i7-4790 4-core 8-thread, as well as a 16GB DDR3 1600MHz RAM for storage. It had a 1TB storage right here, but I went ahead and replaced that one. Next is the power supply. We have the Antec 500-watt power supply. I got it off from $10 in Facebook Market. Nothing too special about this one except it's an 80+ certified and it has a PCIe connections for the graphics card. Next, we have the graphics card. It houses an EVGA GTX 980 SC with 4GB of VRAM, which I got for $100 back then. Just like any 980, this one is a little too big for the case, but we still have managed to place this one in with a little fabrication on the drive bay. For the drives, we have a 240 SSD Kingston right here in the top, as well as the 3TB storage, which is right here from Toshiba. They're $30 each. And to cool this one, I did add an Antec CPU cooler, which you can get online for anywhere around $5, which is right here. Okay, so all in all, this whole build was around $245 and capable enough to edit 1080p, 2K, 4K video, as well as gaming on high settings with 60 to 100 frames per second, depending on what game you're playing. Alright, so that's it for my journey through the budget editing / gaming PC on the used market. Please leave a comment down below on what you can build around this price range in your town. Please leave a like if you like this video or think that this will help you in your next build, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tech related content. This is Matt and you have a good one.